Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a new Kickstarter deck called the Soluna Tarot. This is going to be an example of what it will be like. This is by Maryna Isikova. Hopefully I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I do apologize if I'm not. This is a creator based out of Ukraine. The whole deck is going to be hand-drawn and watercolor painted. So I will link the Kickstarter link down in the description box below, so that way you can check it out and support if you want to go and do so. So thank you so much to Maryna for sharing this with us today. That back is gorgeous. Let's talk about the cardstock. It's very flexible. It is snapping back. I like it. And it is a matte. We've got title at the bottom. I did reorganize them to where it flowed from the major and minor, and there are no numbers in the major. But she was very explicit and said there was no AI usage, so I'm very happy and excited to support artists and authors, especially with their Kickstarters coming out. I love the dragons. Oh my goodness. The symbolism is great. I do love a watercolor deck. There's something so majestic about that type of art style. Oh, I like that hermit a lot. That's interesting. Oh, wow. That's cool. Oh, this has to be my favorite so far. I love that. It's pretty too. This might be a little tricky for beginners, but the art is beautiful. All of the aspects and the information for this deck should be on the Kickstarter page. I don't have access to a lot of that information right now, so I couldn't tell you the starting price, etc. Okay, we're in the wands. A little bit of kind of pip deck style. Really pretty color choices, combinations. Swords. Ooh. I like the use of the lotus there. That's nice. I do like the medieval feel of it. Cups. I also like the painted titles. It's pretty. And pentacles. I'd be interested to know like the inspiration behind the deck a little bit more. Why certain aspects were chosen in the art. It's just a curiosity of mine. I like to know those little things to help connect with the deck a little bit more. The pentacles kind of remind me more of like the Lord of the Rings story. Very elven inspired. Okay. Let's see how it shuffles. Ooh. Very flexible. It's snapping back. Yeah, it shuffles great. And overhand shuffle is nice too. All right. Not bad. I do like the art style. I think it's beautiful. I think it's wonderful. This deck will come with a card with a QR code on it, so that way you will have keywords for your readings. But I think if you are very intrigued with this type of art style, with the story that it's telling, if you don't mind a little bit of a pip deck mixed in with it, This is really pretty. It's different. It's unique. It feels like a mixture between like King Arthur, Camelot, and Lord of the Rings. And you know what? I enjoy that. It's really pretty. I think if you are into this kind of style, this might be up your alley. So I would love to know what your thoughts are. And if you are excited about this deck, go ahead and check out the launch link down in the description box below. Thank you so much to Maryna for sharing this deck. I wish you nothing but success and abundance for your launch. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have made it this far in this video, drop a queen or king emoji of your choice in the comments to let me know you have. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.